lo iya. Iya. Jago nyari posisi mapan nyeting bola nah. Melihat usah dia ngedit tuh kok kan duan channel kok gede. Halo bos, how are you bos? Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will update how the fashion at the moment in Kuta area during the night time, and they are having ceremony. Let's see together how busy today. They just been praying on the beach. They put some offering and also they bring offering back to the
tahu? Okay, thank you very much for watching my video, and we'll see you next video. Now I can continue driving, in Kuta area. I will show you how busy this area today. Okay guys, thank you very much, and see you in the next video.
Belok kiri setelah KFC Kuta Square di sebelah kiri ke Jalan Bakung Sari, lalu Anda akan sampai di tujuan.
Nama dek, mana dek? Nama dek?